guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, thank you so much for such a lovely response on my previous recreation of Rekha ji. It has been overwhelming, especially on Instagram. You guys have sent such good sweet messages. It's like beautiful. Anyway, so that's been great. Thank you so much. And today, as you can tell by the title, I thought let's do like some homemade full skincare. So generally we have all these homemade packs, but I thought now that you're home, you're experimenting more, you have all these ingredients. Also, we're running out of products, and you guys know that my mother is into homemade skincare, so she's helped me out with this one, and I have kind of gathered all the benefits of these things, and I'm gonna share all the secrets with you. So today we are doing full CTM, which is your cleansing, toning and moisturizing from ingredients in your kitchen. Pretty much ingredients in your kitchen, maybe one or two things extra if you have them lying around. First, I'm going to take curd made at home and use this as a cleanser. I apply this all over my face and massage my face really well, just as I would with a cleanser. So yogurt is really moisturizing. You aren't going to feel that dragginess that you feel after a traditional gel cleanser. It almost feels more moisturizing. Yogurt helps with nourishment. It's a very gentle cleanser. It improves your skin complexion and also helps with dryness. You will see this being used in so many home remedies because this truly is a beauty multitasker. While I'm at it, I'm also gonna eat some, and then I'm just gonna rinse my face off, and you have like this really nice moisturizing cleansing effect. So for further cleansing, I'm going to make a quick face mask with just two ingredients. I'm going to take papaya and honey, and I'm going to mix the two really well. You could even use a blender to mix this up until you have like this really nice pasty consistency that you can put on your face. That's it. You just apply this all over your face and keep it on for about 10 minutes. I also kept this in refrigerator for 5 minutes before applying, so I have this really nice cooling effect. Now papaya have enzymes that help remove dead cells that clog your pores. It also again helps with dryness, and honey acts as a moisturizing cleanser. The combination is also very powerful exfoliator, and it just really helps deep cleanse your skin while still retaining the moisture. Once you rinse this off, you can see an instant glow. Out of all the DIYs in this video, this papaya honey one is the most effective. Now let's move on to the toner. You'd be so surprised how easy it is to make a toner at home. So I'm gonna take some aloe vera gel and I'm gonna make green tea. So I'm gonna take my tea bag and put some really hot water in it. Let this green tea cool down. Green tea helps with anti-aging, it fights acne as well as it's anti-inflammatory. Once it's completely cooled down, I'm going to take 1 spoon of aloe vera and mix it really well in this. Aloe vera gel contains antioxidants, enzymes, vitamin A and C, and again it has similar benefits like the green tea. It's anti-inflammatory and it helps with burns, acne and dry skin. I'm going to transfer this into one of these spray bottles so that it's easier for application and I can have it for a few more days. You can take any spray bottle that you have lying around. I'm going to take this small transparent one. That's it. It's super simple. You shake this mixture and you transfer it into any of these spray bottles. You can keep it in your refrigerator, and that's it. You just spray it on your face and you have your at-home toner ready. You can use this a few times a day or just whenever after you wash your face. I'm not kidding, it smells very similar to some of the most high-end toners I've used. Now for moisturizer, I'm gonna take a little bit of aloe vera gel again, and I'm gonna take these vitamin E tablets that you will easily find at any medical store. Just one tablet, pop into this aloe vera gel, and you can put literally just one tiny drop of an essential oil of your choice to get like a really nice smell. I'm taking jojoba oil, just 1 drop literally. Now mix this all up and you will see a moisturizer consistency. Just apply this all over your face. We've already spoken about the benefits of aloe vera for your skin, so it really helps with dry, flaky skin, and it's known to be a natural moisturizer. Vitamin E hydrates your skin and serves as a moderately effective natural barrier to the sun. It is moisturizing and has healing benefits for your skin. Also, it is an active ingredient in a lot of skincare products that you use. I forgot to add an almond or sesame oil, but if you add one of those, that would really provide proper moisturization to your skin. Just check how cleansing and instant glowy the skin looks after this skincare routine. So that's it, that's how my skin looks. And generally when you do these homemade recipes, at least for me, I've used like one of them as a face pack or a mask. But for the first time I've actually done all of it together. My skin feels really nice and very refreshed. So I'm really liking it. Let me know if this works out for you, if this was helpful, and if you try it out, let me know. If this was helpful to you, hit the like button. Please subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. You can follow me on Instagram. Lots of good everyday fun stuff going on. And I actually have another homemade mask face pack kind of recipe on Instagram, which you can also check out if you're interested in this. And yes, that's about it. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you guys in the next video.